Hello, this is Shayla 3D Print, and welcome to Print of the Week, episode 30, Articulate Dinosaur. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going ahead and grab it off the bed. As I said, this is the Articulate Dinosaur. It is printed in one piece. It's pretty flexible. As you can see, it has different hinge sections that it rotates from, and you can also kind of flex it in the other way, as you saw. This is a pretty cool print. I did green because I thought it was a cool color, and it also has a little keychain hook where you can have it with you, like maybe on your backpack or with your keys. So let me know what you guys think of this in the comments. If you really liked it, go ahead and leave a like. If you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you for watching.